Hello and welcome to the Draw.io native icon tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to get the IBM icons into your Draw.io. So if you come over here to the left side, on the very bottom it says More Shapes. Click on that and come down to Networking. You'll see there's two IBMs. The IBM by itself is depreciated as it's version 1s. So we want to click on the IBM Cloud. Once you highlight that, you'll then notice when you come back to your main page that all of the icons are now on the left-hand navigation bar by sections. So we'll have IBM Compute, AI, Actors, we've got some data icons, we've got some DevOps, networking, and as you go down, open each one of these groups, you'll see more and more icons available. So if you come up to the top to the groups, you can just grab an IBM Cloud group, come over here, give it a little backfill. Let's put another group in there. So let's maybe just grab a region. There we go. Grab the region, pull it over, put it in. Now typically you'd want to highlight that in the gray, so we'll show you how to do that in a little while. Then you grab a user icon, and then let's grab a classic bare metal server, and now we can connect them with a connector. However, on the very bottom of the left-hand side, we've also given you the IBM connectors that follow our standard nomenclature. So we'll talk about that in another tutorial, but this is where the icons and the connectors both come together. As you can see, we grabbed a connector with dots on both ends and connect them both to the icons. Okay, let's talk about the complementary icon repo. These icons are not currently published in Draw.io, will be published at a later time. Their complementary icons will depreciate once those are published, and they're used in conjunction with the published icons. So if we go over to the icon repo, the IBM Cloud Stencil repo, you can see there's a lot of information on this page. And as you scroll down, you see there's tutorials, there's tools and conventions. So this is where you'll find the colors, you'll find connectors, the metadata, any information that you need, and some quick start tutorials also. So if you come back to the top, click on the Draw.io, and then click on the stencils. You'll see on the very bottom here, there's a file called Not Released in Draw.io. So this is the complementary file of icons that we've created that have not been published by Draw.io yet. So click on the raw and come over here and then File, Save Page As. It'll be saved as a library not released in Draw.io. So save that to your folder. Then it'll come back to Draw.io, File, come down to Open Library From, Device, find that library we just saved, XML library, and now you can see we have 3.0, the IBM icons that have not been released yet. So these are complementary to the ones that are there. So for example, let's pull testing out of here, this testing icon in DevOps. And if you go to DevOps, you'll see that that testing icon has not yet been published natively to Draw.io. So hence, we're providing you guys some additional icons that have not been published yet. So you can see these are all alphabetical, starting with the groups and then moving through the different types of icons, all grouped by color and alphabetical. So let's talk about the search feature. Top left corner of the nav bar, you'll see search shapes. And this will now work, the search will work on both the complementary and the native icons, thanks to a lot of work done by my coworker, Jose Monge. So if you come here, let's search on the complementary icons. We'll put in Wi-Fi router, and as you see, there's the Wi-Fi router showing up. And then if we come down to the native icons, let's search for the container registry, and as you can see, type in container registry and it shows up. So you need to look for the square monocolored boxes. Those are the IBM icons. Thanks again for your time, and I hope this native Draw.io IBM icons is very helpful to you. It's taken a lot of time and a lot of hard work by a lot of people to make this happen. And we'll keep you posted on when the second set of complementary icons will be published. So keep an eye out for that. And thanks again.